Our coverage continues now on the killing of Osama bin Laden.
As yesterday's events played out, many in the small town where the al-Qaeda leader was hiding out were confused by what was happening.
As members of the U.S. military touched down in the typically quiet town in Pakistan, one man provided a play-by-play of what was happening by using social media. WPRI.com reporter Ted Nisi joins us now with more.
Last night's dramatic events unfolded in real time on social media websites. The first person to reveal that bin Laden was dead wasn't actually a reporter or a White House official. It was a top aide to former Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld, writing on Twitter, who said he'd heard it from, quote, a reputable person. But we've now learned Rumsfeld's aide was not the first one to tweet about the news. That would be this man, Sohaib Attar. He's a Pakistani IT consultant who lives in the town where bin Laden was hiding. Ironically, the 33-year-old says he moved there for safety reasons. Yesterday afternoon, around 3:30 our time, Attar started posting a running commentary under his Twitter handle, Really Virtual, about mysterious aircraft flying over the mountains. First, he reported a helicopter overhead, then a huge bang. As other Twitter users debated whether it was an attack or an accident, Attar posted this message. The Abbottabad helicopter/UFO was shot down near the Bilal town area, and there's report of a flash, people saying it could be a drone. But Attar had to wait another 6 hours to find out, along with the rest of the world, that he'd just seen a major event happen in his own backyard. When the news finally broke, Attar hopped back on Twitter to pass it along. His reaction? Uh-oh, there goes the neighborhood. Hours later, Attar's Twitter page was discovered by other web surfers, and the surprised eyewitness became an instant online celebrity. He's gotten dozens of interview requests, and more than 64,000 people are now tracking his messages. Attar also says there's a reason why he's one of the only people who tweeted about the raid. Most people in his town use Facebook. I have much more reaction to bin Laden's death on our website. Just go to WPRI.com and click blogs. I'm Ted Nisi, Eyewitness News.